Today we're going to make a paste that will unlock the secret to cooking Indian food. Hello, my name is Peter and welcome to the DIY kitchen, where we cook easy meals for busy people. Once you've made this paste, it'll make putting together dinner after work a breeze. Right, this is what you'll need. Half a teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 medium red onion, finely chopped or blended, 2 medium tomatoes or tomatoes, blended, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. If you don't know what that is, it's just a combination of equal amounts of garlic and ginger. You can make this yourself with a pestle and mortar, or you can buy it in the supermarket pretty easily. Okay, first thing we need to do is heat up the pan. Okay, once the pan's warm, let's put in some oil. Let's put in the blended onion mixture. You can finely dice this if you want. Very good. Turn that down a little bit. Turn that down to medium now. A bit stirring. Now we're going to add the ginger and garlic. Okay, let's cook this out for a couple of minutes. I'm going to get rid of some of that liquid that was in the onion. The smell already is just incredible. Okay, as you can see, the onion, ginger and garlic mixture is cooked down a little bit. A lot of the liquid is evaporated. Now we need to put in the spices. Here is my dabba, this is what you call this. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric. I'm going to put a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can use any chili powder, but I find this is the best. Okay, and next we want a tablespoon of coriander powder. Level that out. And then half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Good. Let's mix that in. Wow, smell is amazing. Okay, it's been cooking for about 1 minute. We don't want to overcook it. Just want to bring out the flavor of the spices when they get cooked. Now we're going to add the tomato mixture. Mix that all in. Beautiful. Okay, we want to cook this for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Okay, so it's been cooking for 5 minutes. Let's turn the heat off and let it cool. As you can see, the consistency is about like this. Beautiful. Thicken up as it cools. It smells amazing. Okay, so let it cool, put it in Tupperware, put it in a glass jar, put it in the fridge, ready to use. What do we use it for? Anything. Fry up chicken, put the sauce in, put about 5 or 6 tablespoons of sauce on top, let it cook, let the chicken cook. This is very good with chickpeas. Just get some chickpeas, soak them, cook them, and then put the sauce on top of that. It's very good. Serve it with some rice, of course naan bread, and we're done. Super simple and it will save you a ton of time. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.